In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your email templates on Shopify. We'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you feel confident in adding a personal touch to your customer communications. Customizing your email templates not only strengthens your brand identity, but also enhances your customer's experience, making your store stand out. To get started, log into your Shopify account and enter your dashboard. Once you're on your main dashboard, look towards the lower left corner of your screen where you'll see a gear icon. This is your Settings tab. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a menu with all your store's settings, giving you access to everything you might need to tweak or update to optimize your store. Next, you'll want to navigate over to the Notifications section, which you'll find listed on the left-hand side. Clicking on Notifications will bring up all the automated communications that your store sends out, such as order confirmations and shipping updates, anything your customer might receive from your store automatically. Now that we've accessed the notifications area, let's go ahead and click on Customer Notifications. This is an integral area for your store, as it controls the messages your customers receive from you. It's all about making sure every interaction aligns with your branding and speaks in your store's unique voice. Once you're in Customer Notifications, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll find an option to Customize Email Templates. Click on it. This is the fun part, where you can unleash your creativity and align your emails with your store's look and feel. At this stage, you'll arrive at a page that's set up for customizing your email templates. Here, you have the freedom to change the text of the emails as well as their visual elements. You can add your logo to the emails, select colors that match your store's branding, and generally enhance the aesthetic to make sure your emails don't just communicate necessary information, but also reflect the personality of your brand. After you've made your desired changes, whether it's updating the color scheme or tweaking the text for a more personal touch, always make sure to save your work. You'll find the Save button situated above your editing area. Clicking Save ensures that all your customizations are locked in and ready to go, so your updates will start appearing in your emails immediately. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully customized your Shopify email templates. Remember, the goal here is to create a seamless and engaging customer experience that reflects your brand's essence and keeps your communication consistent. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful Shopify tips and tricks.